In the previous video, we have seen bubble sort. In this video, we will see insertion sort. So in insertion sort, what we do is we assume the first element in the array is sorted and consider it as sorted array. And then we pick the second array element and compare it with the sorted array. In the first iteration, it will be only one element, that is the first element. So when we compare, if the sorted element is greater than the element we are comparing, then what we do is we copy the sorted element to the right of it. And we repeat this step until we find a number which is less than the number we need to insert, or we reach the start of the sorted array. So if we reach the start of the sorted array, then we insert it at the beginning of the array, or else if we find an element which is less than the number to insert, then we insert it to the right of that number. So we repeat this step until the whole array is sorted. I know it's a bit complicated, so let us see this with an example. Consider this array of length 5. So what we do is we consider 10 as the sorted array and 5 is the current element. So we need to insert 5 in its right position in the sorted array. So we compare 5 and 10. So we find 10 is greater than 5. So we copy 10 in place of 5. We store this 5 in the variable current item so that we don't lose the value. So 10 is copied here. Then we check if there are any other element left in this array. There are no other elements left, so we insert 5 at the start of this array, that is in place of 10. So now as you can see, this is our sorted array. 5 and 10 is already sorted. And now the current element, the number to be inserted is 7. So we compare 10 and 7. 10 is greater than 7. So we copy 10 here. And next we compare 7 with 5. So 7 is greater than 5. So we insert 7 to the right of 5. So in place of 10, we insert 7. So 5, 7, 10, which is a sorted array. The next current element is 13. So we compare 13 and 10. So 13 is greater than 10. So no need to do any insertion. Now this is the sorted array and the last number is 1. So we compare 1 with the last element in the sorted array. 13 is greater than 1. So we copy 13 to in place of 1. Then we compare 1 with the 10. 10 is greater than 1. Then we copy 10 to the right. Then we compare 1 and 7. 7 is greater than 1. We copy 7 to the right. Then finally we compare 1 and 5. 5 is greater than 1. So we copy 5 in place of 7. And finally we have reached the start of the array. So we insert 1 at the beginning of the array. So there are no more elements left in the unsorted array. So the array is sorted. So if you find it difficult to understand, take a pen and paper, have your own array and try to sort it using this logic. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will see implementation of insertion sort in JavaScript. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.